Let's make this origami ice cream together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters and a little bit of glue. And we'll start by folding our paper on both diagonals. Now we'll open it, flip it over, and fold it on both middle lines. Now that we have it, open it like this and bring the sides of the paper inwards so that we have a triangle. Like this. And now we'll fold the top right layer of the paper and we'll bring this side of the paper and align it with the middle line. So fold it like this. And now we'll open this part. So insert your finger in the middle and press it downwards so that we have a square. Now we'll fold this square in half. So bring this corner of the paper up to this one right here and press it down. Now open it back and we'll fold this point of the paper just a little bit over this middle line that we made. Let's say like this. And we'll fold our paper on this already existing line. So fold it over like this. Now we'll fold this part of the paper, so this one here, in half, so that we will bring this side of the paper and align it with the middle line. Like this. And now we'll tuck it under. So lift this part of our paper upwards, tuck this on the line that we just made, and press it down. This is also called reverse folding. Now we'll flip this part of the paper over and fold in half this part, so this line aligned with the middle diagonal line. And once you have it, just open it back and repeat the same step on all of the 3 layers. So fold it upwards and align it with the middle line. Open it, that we have a perfect square. Fold it in half. Open it and bring this corner just a little bit over the middle line. Fold it over, tuck this triangle, fold it in half and tuck it under, so reverse fold it on already existing lines. Flip it over and fold this triangle in half. Open it and take the next layer. And the last layer. Like this. And now we'll take our glue and apply it on this bottom white part of the paper, and a little bit on this triangle right here. And now align this part of the paper. And once you have it, just close this layer and press it together. And do this on 3 sides of the paper. So apply the glue on the second one. Take this part, insert it in, tuck the upper layer downwards, and on the third one apply glue, bring the side in, align the line as much as it's possible, press it down and hold it a little bit. Now we'll take the fourth layer and try to bring it close as far as it can go. And you can see this part is already starting to twist. So don't apply glue just yet, but bring the sides in and twist your ice cream. And once you're happy with it, try to hold it. Apply the glue on this white part in my case. Bring the side of the paper inwards. Align on the lines and press it down like this, and then we have our ice cream cone. And now just play with the shape of it a little bit if you want. And this is how you make your 3D ice cream cone. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!